Preeti, can you hear?
Hello everyone, I am Preeti Agarwal from Kolkata, pursuing BMS Media Science.
Okay, thank you. Okay, over to you, Survi. Please, a small introduction from you and please about your journey so far.
Right. So hello everyone. I am. You must be having a lot of background noise, is it? The weather here is not good, and it's like lightning, and
Lightning.
so I'm.
So
Yeah, the
far,
weather is
not
good.
that bad.
Sorry.
So far, not bad.
Okay, sure. So I just wanted to make sure that the background noise is not disturbing. So about myself, I am Surbi, co-founder of Sortizy, and talking about my short introduction. So I am 2018 BTech NIT Warangal pass out, and after that I worked as a business strategy consultant in a medtech firm based out of San Francisco. So where I consulted medtech firms like Google Healthcare, Johnson and Johnson, Medtronic, and others. And after that I was like fortunate enough to meet like-minded people in my like first office itself. And then after realizing the problem of kitchen management, we decided to delve full-fledged into our current startup, and we have been working on our current startup from last almost 1 year. So this is about me. So yeah, please guide about the next steps, Vishal.
So please tell us your journey, how you actually jumped into this startup world, and why did you jump, and
Right.
what didn't prevent you from jumping.
Sure. So as I mentioned that in 2018 we passed out, and then after graduation, like a typical Indian student, I like moved to a big city, Hyderabad, away from my hometown. And there it was like a new lifestyle. We were managing our homes, and we were managing our diets, and simultaneously balancing our new career. So it was all so new. And during this journey, I found very difficult to the entire kitchen management like the entire process. I underestimated that, but I realized that okay, we have been living at our homes. Moms used to manage everything, or you talk about fathers, dedicated homemakers. They are there to take care of everything. They know what you prefer. They cook well. You need not to worry about the grocery. But then when it came on me entirely, it was such a challenging job. So most of the time, what used to happen that I either used to order from outside, or if we have our cook bhaiya. So sometimes he's like, "Ki, Didi, you didn't soak rajma. I told you to do that. Yeah, आपके पास घर पे ये ingredient नहीं है." So these small minor things caused a lot on my health. So which was eventually affecting my work. So I discussed the same problem with my colleagues in office, and they like literally resonated with the problem. And then we are like, okay, this is something which we should discuss more about. So during the lunch breaks, we 3 or 4 people, हम लोग साथ में we were working in this multiple projects, and then we discussed, and everyone is like, yeah, like this makes sense, it's happening with me. And there needs to be something done about this problem. Then we started actually with the meal kit idea. So we did some market research, and we saw that in USA we have this Blue Apron. So it's a meal kit delivery company. So they procure like based on the serving for the number of people you want, they send meal kits, like how much ever ingredient you want, they will send at your home. So then we did some research for a month. We have talked to people. The problem is definitely there, the underlying problem. But then talking to the advisors and studying like the business model, we arrived at the conclusion that it's operation heavy. And in a country like India, like we all know, in every street, in every next street, we have a grocery vendor. Or hum log, like we just go there and shop whatever we need. And people are like very cost sensitive in India. We all are. Like if Swiggy is delivering free food, I mean the final food in that cost, so why would I pay for just the raw ingredients? So after studying everything, this is not the case in US. There you won't find like affordable cooks who can come to your house and cook good food. So but the as we all know, ki US ka an ecosystem and Indian ecosystem differs a lot. So that then we thought that okay, there should be a tech-based solution which is like not operation heavy, but at the same time it's solving the problem which we were initially like trying to address. Then we thought that it should be completely shifted on technology. So just like we know Spotify, जो song हमको सुनना है based on our mood, so it suggests personalized playlists, and then we go to Netflix like for the entertainment. So as you we all face different applications, solutions which are making our lives easy in all the aspects of our life, but there is nothing, no solution which is significant enough to solve our kitchen problems. So this is how our story started to shape. And then last year we did a lot of secondary research. We have talked to people, and we have studied different models available in the US. And then we finally arrived at this particular business model, which is very lean. Since it's tech based, it's completely scalable, and it does not involve a lot of heavy operation, like as in we are not holding any inventory. Talking about Sorteezy, I would like to explain about it, like what product which we are building. So Abhi, I'll give an example of a typical day in our lives. So अभी घर पे every single day for every single meal हम लोग को देखना होता है कि okay, let me decide what I should eat. Then what options do we have? We go to YouTube, or we go for blogs. We go to we search on Google that okay, I am allergic to something. I'm allergic to gluten, or I want to follow this particular diet. But then I have to decide and search for the recipe. Once I'm done with that, I finally decide to cook. And then I find that okay, I don't have these ingredients at home. Somehow I try to procure that, and then I call my mom that okay, how should I cook it? And then she very patiently explained ki acha ye karo, for how many people do you want to make the dish. Fair, with all that love, with a lot of patience, she tells about a secret ingredient. So this is a typical story, I think, for most of the millennials, the working bachelors and the newlywed couples. So that's a latent problem, I would say, which we are trying to solve. So now talking about Sorteezy, the tech model which I was talking about, we start by personalized preferences, like personalized dish recommendation. Like we take some inputs from the user that okay, tell me what cuisine do you like? Do you eat North Indian, yeah, South Indian, Oriental, Continental, and आपको क्या ingredients avoid करने हैं? Like if you're allergic to something, if you are disliking some ingredients, and other questions like that. Then apart from that, we have some preferences and filters that okay, आपके skill level के according you can choose what ingredients what dishes I should show you. What equipments do you not have at home? You eliminate those, and we won't show you dishes which have those equipments. So a lot of customization is available, and your feed is like completely personalized. That is the one thing. After that, the next thing is meal planning and grocery automation. So typically people who are more health conscious, they plan meals ahead. But people who are not, if like you can create meal plans for like 2 days, 3 days, or n number of days you want, and then you get automated grocery list. So the user need not to worry that okay, what ingredients and how much I should buy. The application says that कि आपको okay for the next 3 days आप 2 kgs tomato purchase कीजिए, 5 kg आलू, or based on the dishes you have planned. Not only this, so there's this interesting feature which we did not incorporate before, but startup may, and whenever we are building a product, taking feedback from the customers is the most crucial part. So we got the feedback that एक particular dish के लिए, if someone wants to buy ingredients, वो भी होना चाहिए. So now people can purchase ingredients, all the ingredients for the quantity they want. जैसे कि if someone is deciding कि आज मुझे पास्ता खाना है, और उसके लिए ingredients आप order करके दीजिए for 2 servings. So that is one thing, and getting all the ingredients delivered for the meal plans. So that is second thing. So we are not taking the operation of delivering all the ingredients, but we are already leveraging the network of grocery suppliers. They are working really hard to crack this delivery model. So we are in talks of partnering with them to complete this entire journey of kitchen management. And lastly, we are also introducing this concept of recipe card. सो अभी आप देखेंगे कि यूट्यूब पे जो फॉर्मेट है रेसिपी शो करने का वो अलग है, ब्लॉग्स पे अलग है, कोई किसी एक सर्विंग के लिए बता रहा है, सब फॉर्मेट इज लाइक टोटली डिस्पर्स्ड, it's not standardized, it's so scattered. So we are curating and making that content standardized, and we are delivering in a multimedia format. So multimedia, by multimedia I mean that at one place for a dish you can see the video, and video be which is like absorbable, like which millennials can easily absorb. So nowadays, as we all know, ki reels are getting popular and people are like so busy, they want to see and grasp the content in as much less time possible. So we are making this multimedia content of a recipe, the short videos. Then we are also making step-by-step digital cookbooks, you could say. There you can see the picture, text, and also what ingredients are going in that step. Otherwise YouTube पे अभी आपको pause करना पड़ेगा कि okay step में आप क्या डाल रहे हो, इस step में क्या जा रहा है. So all that is being covered, and at the same time it's like serving agnostic. आप 10 लोगों के लिए बनाइए या एक जन के लिए बनाइए, the dish taste is going to come same because we have cracked that algorithm. So this is the plan, and in future I would like to talk about the vision also a bit. We are with this recipe card concept, basically you can call it the digital cookbook. We are also planning to connect IoT. So it's like आप रेसिपी में बोल रहे हैं कि आप एयर फ्रायर यूज कीजिए या अवन यूज कीजिए फॉर लाइक 2 hours at 175 Celsius. So you'll be able to control all the kitchen equipments from your app itself. So एक जगह से like सारे devices का connection है. So this is the thing, and also vernacular. So we will make it in multiple languages so that कोई Delhi की कोई recipe है like छोले, जो authentic recipe है, someone in even Thiruvananthapuram will be able to make it with that authentic taste. So of course it's tech, it's scalable. So that is another vision we have, to bring all the Indian recipes and customize it to how Indians perceive it with Indian taste. This is the thing. And we are also partnering with, one side of partnership is the grocery supplier, another side of partnership is with the popular and talented chefs of the country. So we have all the mixture of popular blogs, YouTubers, and even we are partnering with home chefs also, and we are giving them some incentives and having their recipes on the platform. So this is about the entire model, and बाकी छोटी मोटी features है जैसे calories है and also prep reminders. So if you remember one example I gave in the beginning, that cook भैया बोल रहे हैं कि आप दीदी आप राजमा सो करना भूल गए हो और अभी आप मुझे lunch के लिए बनाने बोल रहे हो, I can't make it. So the application will remind you that okay, you have planned rajma for tomorrow, so you have to soak rajma 8 hours in advance. So it's like a holistic end-to-end platform. So like I spoke a lot about the entire platform, but now I would like Vishal, if you could say some specific questions.
Yeah, Kamal ma'am want to ask.
Yeah, I have a question as you mentioned. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So when you mentioned that, it will prepare accordingly for if it's agnostic, like 1%, 2%, 5 people, whatever.
Right.
So how did you do that for children? Because I can just so it's different for children or two adults, like it's me and my husband has a different appetite than I have, though he eats lesser than me.
Right.
So how would you do that?
So basically, since when we our primary customer segment is people between 20 to 35 years of age, so we have taken the approximation of like how much one serving an adult, is the average of it. So that's how we do it.
To start with, you have just a standard, so I cannot customize it. Okay, 2 kids, 1 4-year and 1 10-year. So we cannot do that.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not also like good appetite, medium appetite, like that.
Also good idea actually. Yeah.
So
that's a very good feedback. I think we can incorporate that as well. Yeah. For now it's just the average, but I think when we scale further and more additional features, we can definitely incorporate that.
So this is only for the people who are eating at home, right? People who like to eat junk food, उनका क्या होगा?
Junk food is also, it's not just for healthy people. Like we make junk as well at home. In fact,
You make junk as well.
yeah, like COVID के बाद तो people are like experimenting. अच्छा आज मैंने pizza बनाया है, burger बनाया है. So like people are feeling proud about that as well. So आजकल वो in fact notion create हो गया है after COVID कि बाहर से order करना is not safe. I mean that's how they say it. So people are like cooking more at home.
So, considering COVID in mind, you have any suppliers supply organic stuff? So it's
Yeah.
just you have the option of organic cooking and organic stuff, etc.
Yeah, so one part of the the supplier segment is not just for the grocery delivery, but also like abhi jaise aapko pata nahi what all players are available which who are supplying for keto diet, keto ingredient, organic कौन supply कर रहा है. So in our plan we have that कि native advertisement is something which we can have. आप सारी dishes देख सकते हैं like organic खीर, उसमें आप एंटर कीजिए, आपको सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे. आप यू कैन सी द ब्रांड्स एज वेल एंड आप टेक यू एंड रीडायरेक्ट यू टू देयर वेबसाइट. It's like
Okay.
win-win for both the customers as well for the
Okay.
that is another.
Okay, so there's a choice. There's a choice like which retailer or which store you want to choose, and if you want to pick organic stuff, or if you're healthy or go on a keto diet, so suggestions will come accordingly. Oh, interesting! Very interesting.
And it's only veg or non-veg or everything?
Sorry, could you please repeat
I
your
mean,
question?
veg, non-veg, या सब कुछ?
Yes, सब कुछ. In fact, all the 5 different cuisines, all the 4 different diets. Like in the beginning only, आप अगर onboarding में देखेंगे question है non-veg, veg, vegetarian and vegan. तो उसमें आप select कर सकते हैं. So since I'm a vegetarian, I have like all the options of vegetarian dishes. So it's like a complete agnostic platform, caters to all the recipes. So in fact, our aim is to bring all the recipes. कोई अफ्रीका में भी कोई अच्छा dish है, so Indians should be able to make it. And we should have that exposure to all the amazing dishes, Turkish dishes or Russian pie, the dishes in Tex-Mex. So abhi utna exposure hi nahi hai humko. So I think we'll cover all the Indian ones from veg to non-veg, vegan, vegetarian, everything, and throughout the world. So that is the aim.
And this recipe is users put or you, I mean, you curate?
So there are 2 aspects to it. एक first is कि हमारा in-house team भी है Sortizy का, and we create content based on the trend we see. And secondly, we are, as I mentioned, like we are also partnering with limited invitation based recipe curators. So वहाँ से भी we are curating, and in-house also we are curating.
Okay. So anyone else have any question or comment, please? Anyone in there? Aman, Ujjwal, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir. Actually, my mic was silent.
Yes, now mic is okay.
Hello, sir. Yeah. Actually, yesterday I download your app and I actually use it. It's useful for me. I were looking for any app. Like I don't have so many dishes. What kind of dish I should take in breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Right.
So I just selected veg, egg, and there one more option, veg is something. So I selected these 3, and then I get so many lists. I selected tomato, like they're all the dish with tomato. So I just wrote all the, I just make the note that what should I give to delivery person that make these dishes for me next time. So I use your app, it's good. And
Yeah,
app infrastructure was very good actually. It's like next, like as the like good company using that kind of infrastructure in app, you have that. Like from where you make your app,
yeah. So
who work on it?
I mean the good thing is हमारा जो tech head है CTO हमारा in-house है, मतलब हमें codes भी
Okay.
लिखते हैं, और जो user
Okay.
interface और UX है ना, जो मतलब all the architecture of the app जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, वो भी हमारे co-founders में
हाँ.
तो तब हमारे
क्या बात है?
इसलिए आपको रिजल्ट भी वैसे दिखता है कि लाइक दिल से किए हैं.
सही है, वही मतलब एकदम वर्ल्ड क्लास का था. उसमें जो वीडियो था एक डेमो का, मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन था, ऐप में था या यूट्यूब पे था, मुझे याद नहीं है सही से. वो भी बहुत सही था. वो वीडियो किसने बनाया था?
अच्छा, आपने YouTube वाला जो वीडियो देखा है वो?
हाँ, वो भी बहुत सही था. उसमें जो वॉइस ओवर किसी ने
प्रोमो
किया है.
वीडियो ऑन द वेबसाइट.
प्रोमो वीडियो. हाँ. वो किसने बनाया था?
वो हमने फिर आउटसोर्स किया था, वॉइस ओवर भी और जो आर्टिस्ट
अच्छा,
उन्होंने बनाया है animation।
कितना खर्चा पड़ गया?
अ,
बजट कितना था?
ये तो मुझे याद नहीं है, मुझे जो फाइनेंस मैनेज करते हैं हमारे को उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा अच्छा, और एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा, ये जो कुकिंग वाले जितने भी सेक्टर होते हैं ना, ये रॉकेट साइंस से कम नहीं है। लाइक रेस्टोरेंट से लेके स्विगी जोमेटो, ये सारे मतलब सबसे टफ काम मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन आप इसको मैनेज कर रही है, बहुत सही काम कर रही है। कैसे कर रही है पता नहीं,
थैंक यू,
ये
थैंक
सच
यू।
में बहुत टफ काम होता है।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि मतलब हर हर पर्सन का एक अलग टेस्ट होता है, इतनी वैरायटी के डिशेस होते हैं, हर डिश में
सही है।
एक इंग्रेडिएंट जा रहा है।
हाँ,
बात तो फूड का
सही है।
काफी
डिश अगर एक,
difficult
सही है सही है, बहुत सारे इसमें ब्रांचेस है ना, बहुत कुछ है देखने
है।
को, तो दिक्कत होती है
हाँ,
जनरली। थैंक यू सुरभि।
Indra.
So, Survi, which part of the startup you are managing?
So I manage the business development and strategy.
Okay,
Like
sales, marketing.
अभी अभी जो हमारे 4 कोर मेंबर्स है उसमें वन इज द CTO, ही मैनेजेस ऑल द एग्जीक्यूशन। मैं बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट एंड स्ट्रेटजी मैनेज करती हूँ। देन वी हैव नितिन, वो प्रोडक्ट हेड है, वो पूरा प्रोडक्ट का साइड देखता है। और वी हैव अक्षय, वो है हमारा टेक लीड, तो ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ द टेक। एंड देन वी हैव एडवाइजर्स। तो मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के लिए वी आर लाइक टॉकिंग टू लाइक, अभी हम लोग इंक्यूबेटेड है बाय वी हब, तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट, and also we were incubated by IIT Hyderabad, ITIC Foundation. So we have taken a lot of help and advices from our advisors about the marketing and sales domain. So it's like हर sector का like we are balancing it all.
ये 4 लोग इकट्ठा कैसे हुए? Like who came? Like how the team formed, and did you face any problem in the team
Yeah.
formation initially?
So talking about the team formation, तो जब 2018 के बाद मैंने जब अपनी फर्स्ट कंपनी ज्वाइन की, वहाँ पे फॉर्चुनेटली शक्ति एंड आई, मतलब जैसे मैं बता रही थी कि घर पे जो प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है किचन मैनेज करने के लिए, तो हम लोग ब्रेक रूम में वो बातें किया करते थे। तो शक्ति और मैं 2018 पास आउट हैं, और नितिन है वो भी उसी ऑफिस में है, तो उसी ऑफिस में थे आई मीन, और वो 2015 पास आउट है फ्रॉम बिट्स पिलानी, एंड शक्ति फ्रॉम IIT खड़गपुर। So we all used to discuss, and then we all three initially started to think about solving this problem. उसके बाद नितिन मूव टू ओयो, और वहाँ पे भी हम लोग साथ में डिस्कस करते ही थे। तो नितिन देन मेट अक्षय। सो इस तरह से लाइक हमारे वर्किंग ऑफिसेस में वी मेट ईच अदर, एंड then the talks were going on, and we were like throughout like a duration of 5 to 6 months we were inclined towards discussing this and picking this topic every single day. And then all 4 of us decided that okay, let's start building something upon it. So ऐसा है कि like we all are from like different colleges. I'm from NIT, Shakti is from IIT, Akshay is from Triple IT Allahabad, Nitin from BITS. So everyone came to the same working location where we met and thought of getting into this venture.
But सारे engineers ही हैं, ये
हाँ।
problem नहीं हुआ?
ये वो एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट हो गया टेक के लिए और डिजाइन के लिए। सो वी आर लाइक वी इंजीनियर्स आर गुड इन दिस, एज यू ऑल नो।
और नेगेटिव हो गया
तो
मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के लिए?
नेगेटिव, हाँ वो है, बट देन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज अगेन ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। सो फिर वो भी सीख रहे
So,
हैं।
did you all like left the job? I mean, all of you have left the job now? Yeah, one by one left the job. कैसे? I mean, that
Last
resignation letter लिखना हाथ कांपा थोड़ा सा?
हाँ मतलब ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना, और वो भी फर्स्ट जॉब में इतने कम समय के बाद ही, मतलब कुछ रफली 1.5-2 years का एक्सपीरियंस था विद लाइक। कोई भी सोचेगा कि यार आपका स्टेबल जॉब है, मंथली सैलरी है, विच इज लाइक प्रीटी फाइन। सो लाइक बट देन आई थॉट कि आफ्टर अ मोमेंट ये चीज लर्निंग रिडंडेंट हो जाएगी, एंड अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, अभी रिस्क लेने का टाइम है। So Shakti and I, in fact, Shakti was very determined about getting into this full-fledged. He's very, very, very a big risk taker, I would say, and he like inspire the people around him. So he took the decision to leave it because उसने भी सोचा कि कंसल्टिंग का जॉब है, बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलता है और कुछ भी करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था उस जॉब में। फिर he left the job after me working parallelly for some time in the initial months in Orbis and here. Then I also decided कि अब वहाँ पे learning थोड़ी stagnant हो जाएगी. Then I also came full time into it, and then I would say since the beginning Shakti and I are full time. Nitin was partially working in OYO. Then he also came full time क्योंकि COVID and all में it's like it's not safe. तो सब घर चले गए and dynamics entirely changed last year. So हमने जितना भी काम किया है early days का, it was difficult, additionally difficult because of COVID. But then Nitin also joined and Akshay also joined eventually full time. So like all the four core members are now full time working into the startup.
So did COVID help you a bit because सारे लोग घर से खाने लगे? So what do you think? I mean, did COVID help or not
What
help?
you're asking that help?
Yeah, I mean, did COVID was like a boon
So
or
I would
curse
say
for you?
Okay, so it had both the positive and negative impact. So positive ऐसा था कि मतलब first let me talk about negative. So negative में ऐसा था कि before COVID we used to go and meet a lot of people, interact a lot, bring some kind of networking in Hyderabad. We used to participate in events and then we used to go to competitions. बट आफ्टर दैट सडनली सब कुछ ऑफलाइन हो मतलब ऑनलाइन हो गया, सब अपने अपने घर में है. तो नेटवर्किंग से जो रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड होती है, लाइक यू मीट एडवाइजर्स, यू मीट योर पोटेंशियल टीम मेंबर्स. सो वो सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज ऐसा हो गया कि आप कैसे करेंगे. बट देन एज अ वर्ल्ड शिफ्टेड ऑनलाइन, वी ऑल्सो शिफ्टेड ऑनलाइन एंड एवेंचुअली टर्न आउट अ पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि फिर जोग्राफिकल कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं थे एंड इनफैक्ट वी वर एबल टू पार्टिसिपेट इन समथिंग जो अगर ऑफलाइन होता तो हम जा ही नहीं पाते. So इस तरह से we overcame that networking वाला gap. And secondly, because of this, it was also difficult to find, team members who are aligned with your vision, especially and also get resources for especially tech. क्योंकि then tech people, they were working from home, उनका काम additionally बढ़ गया था. And we were not sure that who will align with us for the vision, who can join the team and work with as much as dedication as we want. पार्ट टाइम के लिए भी फ्रीलांसर्स ढूंढने भी मुश्किल हो रहे थे, स्पेशली इन द टेक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, क्योंकि उनका वर्कलोड आई थिंक इंक्रीज हो गया था. आई थिंक दे विल एग्री विद मी. सो काफी सारे चैलेंजेस आए, बट या लाइक आई वुड से इट वाज अ मिक्स. सो बोथ द पॉजिटिव एज वेल एज नेगेटिव.
Surely I joined late, sorry, but which company किसको आपने start किया, किसको आपने बंद किया?
या अतुल, लाइक कंपनी स्टार्ट करके बंद नहीं किया, बेसिकली उसी कंपनी का मॉडल, बिजनेस मॉडल हमने आइटरेट कर लिया. सो पहले हम लोग सोच रहे थे.
No, I think what he means is which job did you leave? She left. She started a company and then she left the job.
So which company you started and which company you left? Yeah, that's the right question.
Yeah, so after graduation, I got selected in like in the college itself. I got selected in Orbis Medical Business Consulting. So it's a San Francisco-based medtech consulting firm. वहाँ पे as a strategy consultant, I worked for roughly 1.5 years. And after that, वो छोड़ के मैंने अपनी startup start की, Sortizy. So I hope आपका question ये था, अतुल, right?
That was the question. और you are in San Francisco अभी or you're back in India?
No. So I'm in India.
अच्छा. So I'm in San Jose, San Francisco.
No. I was in anyway Hyderabad.
Always in India.
अच्छा.
Company had.
I am in San Francisco, तो I was saying कि अगर यहाँ पे कुछ हो तो I can help.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, Atul. That's very kind of you.
So अभी जो टीम बन गई, सब कुछ हो गया, सबने जॉब छोड़ दिया. Obviously stakes are high and सारे लोग सीरियस ही होंगे तभी इतना रिस्क लिया. स्टूडेंट लेवल पे people are not thought as a very serious people, but एक जॉब छोड़ के आना is considered very serious for a lot of people. I mean for investors also and for the whole world rather. तो उसके बाद I mean how did you get your first 100 users, customers, consumers? That journey, can you share a bit, please?
Yeah. So first 100 तो ऐसा था कि the day when we launched the application on Play Store, तब हमने अपने फर्स्ट और सेकंड कनेक्शन से शेयर की कि ये एप्लीकेशन है, आपका फीडबैक इज लाइक वेरी मच अप्रिशिएबल. सो अभी हम लोग बीटा टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं, आप आइए देखिए एप्लीकेशन. सो इट वाज जस्ट लाइक वी शेयरिंग अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल. सो जो लिंक्डइन हो गया, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम. सो बिफोर दिस ऑल्सो देयर इज अ बैक स्टोरी कि हमने नेटवर्किंग करनी स्टार्ट कर दी थी काफी पहले से. सो इट्स लाइक बिल्डिंग योर रिलेशनशिप्स एंड नेटवर्किंग ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स. उसके बाद जब हमने शेयर किया, सो इट वाज लाइक टोटली ऑर्गेनिक. द फर्स्ट 100 वर लाइक our first and second connections only. In fact, it grew to roughly 500 of it. So it's like
currently you have around 500 या उससे अभी
we have
कितने आ गए?
some 1200 without marketing. So abhi bhi
1200.
I would say yeah, it's a big application under beta. लॉन्च हो गया है, बट उसकी सो आई वाज टेलिंग कि हम में से कोई भी मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट नहीं है. सो वी आर लाइक
जो
टॉकिंग
मैंने
टू
बोला
दैट.
शुरू में.
But we are like taking it slowly, like cracking one value proposition at a time. So jab marketing and organic feedback is like really good. Matlab users are spending more than 9 minutes on the app, and weekly active users is roughly 400, which is a great number. Like the total ratio retention rate of 30%. So these stats are good, and I would
What is
say
the increase month on month or week on week for organic?
so in last 2 months, I would say it grew by almost 50%. Like when we started, it was like 100, then 500, then 800, 1200. So it's like a constant growth. And like I'm eagerly waiting for like full-fledged marketing. जब हमारा उस पे focus होगा, so I'm like really eager to see what feedback people are going to give.
अभी
But
how
अभी
you
जितने भी हमारे पास
earn, I mean, what's the revenue model in this? Who are
so revenue model in our business model, you're asking about the okay.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
who's bringing the money to you? I mean, what are the channels from where
Okay,
you
so we have
bring in the blood to run the body?
Yeah, so we have planned 3 revenue streams. The first one, since we are interacting with both B2B and B2C parts. So for the B2C, we have subscription model. But subscription, I would say it's for the premium features. Like in future, we won't start it immediately. We'll have some customer base, and then when we are partnering with the top-notch recipe curators, so उनके access के लिए, उनकी recipes के access के लिए, या तो फिर top nutritionist के meal plans. So ऐसे premium features के लिए we are going to offer subscription, and the major revenue source is coming from B2B. So one source of revenue is the commission. So जैसे हम delivery grocery suppliers के साथ as we are partnering, so जो grocery का commission है, that is a major source of revenue. And then the next third revenue stream is the affiliated marketing. So natively we are going to sponsor recipes and ingredients, branded ingredients. So ma'am, as you were saying कि आप organic वाला जो हम example दे रहे थे, so उस तरह से we are going to do affiliated marketing. That is another stream of revenue. So these 3 are the major revenue streams.
And what are the challenges you faced? अभी 2 साल हो गए ना almost, I guess. ज़्यादा ही हो गए शायद.
2 months over 1 year. 2 साल तो नहीं हुए.
अच्छा,
Like
2 साल नहीं हुए कंपनी इंकॉर्पोरेशन को लेके, I guess. बट माइंड में जब से आइडिया आया उस दिन से अगर कैलकुलेट करें 1.5 years.
हाँ. Yeah.
So like बहुत सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम
last
कहाँ पे आया? Yeah, like maybe first few problems you can share, if you can share, because those are the learnings, you know, to the to our audience, and the recording when it will be shared also to people. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर का स्ट्रगल ना कोई किसी को बताता है नहीं. सारे सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद सारे स्टोरीज निकलते हैं, and that stories made, you know,
absolutely
a bit sugar coated then.
Absolutely. So पहला स्ट्रगल तो आई वुड से कि आपने सबने सुना होगा कि कोई भी स्टार्टअप होता है उसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट क्या होता है. इट्स नॉट आइडिया, इट्स नॉट एनीथिंग, इट्स अबाउट द एग्जीक्यूशन. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मतलब आपका आइडिया सॉर्टेड है, टीम सॉर्टेड है, बट इट्स up to how better you are executing it. So execution का मतलब होता है day to day decisions you are taking. So to answer to your question, Vishal, the first challenge I would say is एग्जीक्यूशन ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस, मतलब यू विल कम टू सर्टेन पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे आपको डिसीजन लेना होगा कि अच्छा शुड आई आउटसोर्स माय एप्लीकेशन और बिल्ड इट इन हाउस, या शुड आई लाइक गो फॉर हायरिंग मल्टीपल पीपल, हायरिंग से लेके आउटसोर्सिंग से लेके यू नो गिविंग प्रियोरिटी टू व्हाट फीचर्स टू बिल्ड, किससे फीडबैक लेना है, कहाँ मार्केटिंग करना है. सो दिस ऑल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन. So I think decision making on a day-to-day basis is very challenging. You have to work as a team, and it's like a constant challenge. So that is one thing. And second thing is, I would say I don't know, probably because of COVID, it was increasingly difficult to get right people with right motivation. So we face a lot of struggle to find a front end person. So they were like coming and they were not they were like too busy in their current jobs, and they were not able to dedicate time. So finding right team, finding right people, that was challenging, but eventually we concluded that referrals in the early stage, जब आप धीरे धीरे बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, आपका एप्लीकेशन हो गया या जो भी मॉडल आप वर्क कर रहे हैं, सो इन द वेरी अर्ली डेज it's always good to go for referrals. So that is a learning we had. Like, of course, every startup, every individual is going to have different learning, but referrals work the best. So one is execution, and second is right
This
finding.
decision making, it's a rather, I think startup का जो core team है, they get into this decision making fatigue probably because उसके पहले लाइफ में उन्होंने इतना डिसीजन लिया ही नहीं होगा कभी. It becomes like 10x.
Right.
इतना डिसीजन रोज का टेंशन कि अब क्या करूं मतलब, और like, and then it becomes a very tricky question. Like you had like 4 people, right? You may have probably more conflicts than just 2 people or 3 people team. So as people increase, the conflicts get more and more, and then like convincing everyone or maybe dominating the board or जो भी है, this skill is also not something that everyone may have, and जिसके पास ये skill है, maybe that person is not so perfect for that decision. मतलब decision is wrong, but the person is very good in convincing, तो उसने गलत decision के लिए भी convince कर दिया सबको. Do you see this kind of problems coming or happened or things like that? How you overcame all this, like, and then COVID में क्या हो गया होगा कि you all may be doing this video calls. यहाँ पे convincing is a different ball game altogether. Not very different, still different, because online में convincing, it's like doing online sales, phone pay negotiations is way harder than a meetup pay negotiations, ठीक है? Because the whole body language is visible. Online में थोड़ा सा very restricted, like kind of this much body language or जो भी है, and lot of things you cannot see and lot of things you cannot even feel.
Right.
So what was this? I mean, would you like to share some of this?
I get your question. So basically, I would like to put it in a different manner. मतलब आपने पूछा है कि कैसे वो decision making में team में कौन किसको convince कर पा रहा था, या how did the entire synergy work. So I would say कि अभी जो हम 4 founders हैं, and very fortunately we all are very good in the synergies work really well. मतलब ऐसे कोई conflict यहाँ पे नहीं आया, but I will answer to your question कि वो conflict कहाँ पे आते हैं. So अभी तो like one good point is like generally VCs ask कि आप लोग जो founders है वो कितने समय से साथ हैं, एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. So there's a purpose to ask that. So since we founders know each other from almost 3 years now, so we already have that good balance and we know each other's weaknesses and each other's strengths. So हम लोग का balance अच्छा है. But Vishal, as you ask कि वो conflicts कहाँ पे आया? So what happens कि getting mentorship is a very crucial part for the early stage startups. तो हम लोग networking करते हैं, we go to our incubations, we talk to our mentors, and सबका अलग-अलग suggestion होता है. तो based on their perceptions and their experience, वो कुछ अलग-अलग suggest करते हैं, and then we have to come back home and sit within the team and decide कि अच्छा इन mentors ने इनके specialization ये है, इन्होंने ये बोला है, and some other mentor would have said something entirely opposite than that. At that moment, it becomes a conflict कि किसको follow करना चाहिए, what is right for us. So recently, in VHub Hyderabad, I attended a session. I met Vidit Atre. So he is the founder of Meesho. So now they are a unicorn now. and I asked the same question to him कि आप लोगों ने early stage में कैसे ये conflict solve किया. So his answer was कि मतलब of course beginning में आपको हर तरह के suggestions मिलेंगे. They all have different perceptions. You'll meet a lot of mentors. But now it's up to the executioner, the CTO, the person who's taking the responsibility of that. They should make calculated decisions. But it's not gonna be like कि हमेशा आपके decisions सही हो रहे हैं. Don't be afraid to take risk. Don't be afraid to take wrong decisions, wrong calculated decisions. गलती हो भी गई तो quickly pivot कीजिए. मतलब don't get stagnated there. Take decisions. Don't be afraid, but quickly pivot. अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि that decision is not right. So that he said that key execution matters and take calculated risk, go ahead and quickly pivot. So this is what I say कि conflicts आएंगे, you can't comprehend कि इस decision से क्या होगा. So just go for it, whatever you feel is the right thing for startup, and then pivot accordingly.
And fast decision making, do you believe in that, like as a team or as an individual, कि सटासट decide करना चाहिए 24 से 48 घंटे deadline, or do you put a deadline on your decision making? These things matter a lot in the long run if you think about it, क्योंकि decision एक है, एक week लटक गया, एक महीना लटक गया, पता चला कि तब तक पूरा चीज़ ही change हो गया, right? Do you see this kind of problems, or did you face this kind of problem?
So for this question, I think it depends on the task in hand. So generally, we have set up some processes. कि ठीक है, we will work sprint wise. एक दिन बैठ के brainstorm करके set कर लेंगे priorities. और उसके बाद if something is coming urgently, उसको वैसे change मत करो. जो आपने prioritize किए हैं task, पहले वो complete कर लो. So पहले इतना processes set up नहीं थे, but we all four sat together and decided कि एक process set करते हैं. और चीजों को prioritize करते हैं. So it's not and always कि हरी भरी में decision लेना है. Now we have learned कि ठीक है, as a team we'll sit together, we'll brainstorm, we'll try to understand the problem. And Shakti, who is like taking the role of the execution, he's very aggressive. He's very good in taking quick decisions, which is suiting to his role. But as a strategy person or a product person, Nitin and I think about the solution for the long run. So again, it's a good mixture of how the founders are tackling that problem. So again, that is getting balanced out in our case.
Sure. Kamal ma'am, you have a question.
I have a question with regards to it's a product that you have built. So how easy is it for your competitor to copy your product?
How easy to copy our product?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So again, there are two branches to it. अगर कोई scratch से इस चीज को करेगा, so I would say कि again it will take a lot of time for them, क्योंकि जैसे इंदर ने point out किया था, right, कि food sector है, तो वहाँ पे हजारों dishes होंगी जो हम day one से curate कर रहे हैं. We are working on the logic and हर चीज में सोच के करना पड़ता है कि यार dish में अगर एक भी ingredient miss हो गया तो पूरी dish खराब हो जाएगी. So there is a lot of details associated to it. So over the time we have built those internal database. We have thousands of recipes. We have a lot of videos. We have a lot of networking connections. So I think this carries a lot of value. ये कोई इतनी easily copy नहीं कर पाएगा. मतलब
if for example, if I have 10 people team, you have 4 people. If I have 50
I would
people
like
team,
to answer this.
If I have 50 people team,
Hello, ma'am.
so
Can I
why
answer
cannot?
this?
Let me complete
Wait a
my
minute.
question.
Yeah, please let her finish.
So if I have a 50
Sure,
people
ma'am.
team or 100 people team, or let's say a big giant gets into it and sees a lot of potential in it. So how would you protect yourself? What is the strategy that you have, since you are a strategist?
Yeah. So ma'am, if a big giant, let's say, I'm sure it's about time that the big giants are getting interested into this domain, and I think they would already start, because Swiggy Genie, they already entered into the ingredient market. Like Big Basket already have some recipes on their app. So it's about time that they have this additional branch. So I won't say that they can't exactly copy, but I think how do we think about it is that since it's a lifestyle brand, we want users to use it every single day. But for the big giant, it's gonna be an additional hand. So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ इसी चीज पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. अगर बिग बास्केट हो गया या कोई अदर जायंट हो गया, they have their domain expertise in delivery. They are already trying to crack that. So additional hand, okay, I am not sure how much they'll be able to focus it, but having big teams, definitely they can build it. but focus is another thing. Then details about the customer insights we have garnered so far, उसमें भी time लगेगा even for them. So that is my view, that I won't say they can't copy it, they can definitely do it, but they should have focus to make it a regular lifestyle brand, and to also focus on the details. So that is the thing I would want to say.
Inder wanted to say something, please.
एक्चुअली मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर सेम आइडिया अगर कॉपी करने का बात हो तो वो तो कोई नहीं करेगा। अगर कुछ चीजें उसमें है जो इंटरेस्टिंग है तो कॉपी कर सकते हैं। लाइक सुरभि ने भी सारी डिशेस तो खुद इन्वेंट नहीं की है, कहीं से डेटा लिया ही है, तो वैसा अगर कुछ है तो कोई कॉपी कर सकता है, नो डाउट। बट अगर आप सेम आइडिया का बात करेंगे तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई जल्दी कॉपी करेगा, क्योंकि लोग अगर इतने मेहनती होते तो उनको पता ही है कि भाई IIT में टॉप करना है तो ये अच्छी प्लेसमेंट मिलेगी, सुंदर पिटाई करना है, तो लोग वैसे ही वहां मेहनत करते हैं, एक वे बना हुआ है, तो लोग उतने मेहनती होते नहीं है। अब फिर कोई अगर भुला भटका हुआ इधर इधर आ भी जाए तो 2-4 दिन के बाद समझ जाएगा कि उतना आसान नहीं होता है, फिर वो जहाँ था वहां का वहीं चला जाएगा।
कॉपी
पता है
करने
क्या
में भी
मुश्किल होता है?
आंसर कैसा लगता है
Exactly.
बताइए?
कॉपी करना is easier than starting from scratch. मतलब अगर आप देखो
नहीं मैम,
मोस्टली
हाँ
आपको क्या लगता है जहाँ पे मैकडॉनल्ड्स होता है वहीं पे वो एक और क्या बर्गर का शॉप है,
बर्गर किंग,
बर्गर किंग नहीं
मैम,
तो they don't
KFC.
do
मैम
a
इसका
field
रियल
research, KFC they
एग्जैक्टली
don't do a research
मैम
market
इसका
research, एक दोनों में से
मैम
एक करता है दूसरा वहीं खोल
मैम
देता है, so it is very easy to
एग्जैक्टली
copy.
मैम इसका एकदम
Ideation से
लाइव
start करना is very difficult, तो that is the point. किसी ने already किया है,
राइट मैम,
मार्केट
आपका
में
क्वेश्चन
बिक
मैं
रहा
समझ
है।
गया। मैम मैं आपने जो कहा उसका एग्जांपल ही दे देता हूँ। आईफोन और कोरियन कितने बिकते हैं? गिने चुने बिकते हैं। आईफोन कितने बिकते हैं? तो कॉपी वाला यही फंडा है। जैसे कि पेटीएम आया तो पेटीएम को बहुत लोगों ने कॉपी किया, एग्जैक्टली किया सिर्फ रिचार्ज में, फ्री चार्ज में, तो वो कहाँ चल रहा है? नहीं चल रहा है, बहुत सारे एफर्ट करने पड़ते हैं, वो कुछ दिन तक साथ में दौड़ेगा फिर वो थक जाएगा। तो फोन पे वगैरह आया तो ये तो यूपीआई बेस्ड है मेनली, फोन पे का वॉलेट तो चल ही नहीं रहा है। मैंने तो कभी यूज नहीं किया, आई होप कि आप लोगों ने भी शायद नहीं किया होगा, आई एम श्योर। तो वो जो फर्स्ट लीडर रहते हैं, हाँ कुछ लोग आते हैं पीछे से, तो वो बात नहीं रहती है। हाँ अगर वो पेटीएम अगर के लिए पैशनेट ही नहीं रहे अपने इसको लेके तो फिर तो लोग आगे निकलेंगे, बट अगर सुरभि पैशनेट रहेगी।
गूगल पे आप लोग यूज नहीं करते? गूगल पे तो
गूगल पे में वॉलेट कहाँ है? यूपीआई है, यूपीआई
हाँ वॉलेट नहीं है, बट फिर
वॉलेट नहीं है। एग्जैक्टली हाँ, तो मतलब पेटीएम का तो मेन था कि वो वॉलेट है, एक्चुअल बिजनेस मॉडल तो उसका वही है। बाद में तो उसने भी बहुत कुछ लॉन्च कर दिया है, बैंक वगैरह।
मैं ये बोलूंगा
इतना फंडिंग मिल रहा है,
कॉपी अगर कोई बहुत शिद्दत से करेगा तो कॉपी करके आगे भी बढ़ जाएगा।
हाँ
और
एकदम
ये भी सच है कि सब लोग नहीं कर पाएगा कॉपी करने के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा अकल चाहिए और ये चाहिए।
हाँ अगर शिद्दत वाला आदमी अगर रहेगा तो वो दूसरे जगह शिद्दत क्यों नहीं दिखाएगा? मैं यही सोच रहा था।
नहीं वो कॉपी करने में भी दिखाएगा,
यही तो
कॉपी एक्वायरी कर लेगा।
ऐसा नहीं होता है, कॉपी करना इज नॉट रॉन्ग। मतलब सारे बिजनेसेस ज्यादा से ज्यादा यही होते हैं, वन स्टार्ट एंड अदर्स कॉपी। तो आपको पेप्सी और कोक और थम्स अप और इनमें क्या है? It is not like that. So the point is not whether they will copy or not. The point here is that they should know that they have to have a strategy so that when someone copies, they are ready for it. The point is not whether anyone will copy or not. Are you ready if someone copies?
मैम
सुरभि से पूछते हैं
कॉपी के बाद
सुरभि, if somebody copies you, do you feel good about it or do you feel bad about it? मतलब शाहरुख खान के डांस स्टेप्स किसी ने कॉपी किया, शाहरुख खान को खुश होना चाहिए कि दुखी होना चाहिए?
So for the startup I have faith कि पूरी business model copy हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद can you please mute?
Inder, can you mute please?
Yes, sir.
Some voice is coming. Yeah. So even if someone copies your idea, as I said previously, कि it's not just about the idea. उसके बाद भी कुछ चीजें determining factors होता है. The first thing you must have heard about कि first mover advantage. So first mover advantage, why people say that कि by that time you are into the market and some other player is entering into it, आपके पास उतना data हो जाता है जिससे you can outrun them. एक होता है data, एक होता है customer insights. So you already have some head start above someone who's coming later into the market. That is one thing. Then second thing is the user interface. तो आप किसी का user interface copy नहीं कर सकते. User interface or the way the app is being developed, तो यूजर इंटरफेस के भी एग्जांपल है कि हाइक, आई थिंक हाइक आके बंद हो गया, अभी यूज नहीं करते हैं, and I have heard from many people that they were not comfortable with the user interface of that. So ये एक छोटी सी चीज है, but it's a determining factor कि वो आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ पाए, मैसेंजर आगे बढ़ गया.
No, user interface is a very big thing. It's a very big thing. It's not a choti thing.
Part of experience.
Yes, I'm a product manager, so it's like
Yeah, so you must like deal with it
Yeah.
every day.
मैं करना चाहूंगा
आवाज कट रही है
फोकस करेगी
तुम्हारी
कि अपने
फिर से
प्रोडक्ट
बोलो।
को कैसे यूजर के लिए और अच्छा बना पाए.
हाँ, राइट. सो वो एक चीज है कि अगर आप यूजर इंटरफेस आपको कंसिस्टेंटली यू हैव टू मेक इट बेटर.
कि डिट्टो कॉपी करें. नहीं
कर सकते हैं.
डिट्टो कौन कॉपी करता है?
बात ही मैं नहीं कर
स्कूल
रहा हूँ.
कॉलेज में भी
नहीं
कोई डिट्टो कॉपी नहीं करता, फिर भी मार्क्स ज्यादा आ जाता है।
मेरे कहने का मतलब था सुरभि अपने जो भी इसका क्या बोलते हैं इसको इनोवेशन है, वो उस पर फोकस करेगी कि कस्टमर को कैसे बेटर दिया जाए.
हाँ,
सुरभि को कॉपी करेगा कि भाई सुरभि को कॉपी करना है, व्हाट सुरभि डूइंग नेक्स्ट, सुरभि व्हाट डूइंग नेक्स्ट, वो करना तो ऑलरेडी पीछे रहेगा ही,
करेक्ट.
लेकिन सुरभि का व्यू पॉइंट पूरा अलग है. तो यही डिफरेंस हो जाता है कॉपी में और
मेरे
ओरिजिनल.
पास डेटा है इनसाइट से, एंड मैंने ऑलरेडी डील किया है कस्टमर से.
Survey, I will, my 2 cents here would be, अगर आपको किसी और ऐप का कुछ अच्छा लगता है, please, and you think that it is useful and the users are liking it, take it.
राइट.
Just copy it blindly. मतलब अपने सिस्टम में, अपनी ऐप में फिट करिए and take it. So there is nothing called stealing in business.
Yeah.
It's like your idea is good, I'm taking it.
Yeah. And in fact, ma'am, I'm confidently admitting कि we have gone through different applications, और जो हमें अच्छा लगा वो पिक किया, but we didn't exactly copy, but we iterated as we wanted. Right. And
वही करना भी चाहिए, I guess.
हाँ.
सारे चीज एक जगह कोई कॉपी करना.
No, you're not here to reinvent the wheel. When someone has already invented the wheel, please use it.
Right. Very, very right point. So जैसे I was
वैसे ही तुम्हारा भी कुछ चीजें लोग कॉपी करेंगे, so it's a समाज सेवा on to the next level.
I think Survi already doing this, like she already taken some good dishes.
तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इसने जैसे बाकी लोगों का से इंस्पायर किया अपने आप को, इनसे भी बहुत लोग इंस्पायर होंगे, तो something to feel good about.
True.
Of course, मैं इतनी inspired हूँ at such young age and doing brilliantly well. Ideation is super, execution amazing. So that's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
अभी
Thank you so much.
last 2 years या 1.5 years से how are you managing your like finances? Like अभी I think 1200 जो user हैं, they are pretty much free users, I guess, right?
They're not like that is organic, and yeah, we have a long way to go. So I would say like these are beta users whom we are taking feedback और first second connection से grow हैं. So our eventual goal is like in millions. So a long way to go.
So अभी
Share
कैसे
your
how you
app.
manage, or like I mean like some
Okay,
like
yeah,
savings
I'll
and
answer
all,
your
or
question. What
I
did
mean
you ask me?
whatever you can answer.
Okay. Yeah, so basically we all have been fortunate कि जो भी first job था उसकी थोड़ी savings हुई, but apart from that also we like super fortunate to have complete support of our families, without whom we can't like do इतना दिन survive करना तो very difficult. Like parents, siblings, all are super supportive for all of our families, and we feel we understand the privilege कि सबके पास ऐसा privilege नहीं होता है कि आप लाइक नेक्स्ट डे जॉब छोड़ के पूरे किसी स्टार्टअप पे फुल फ्लेज काम कीजिए. सो वी एक्नॉलेज कि वी आर लाइक सुपर फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव दैट फैमिली. सो वी आर लाइक with their support we are like managing the finances so far.
Which is a good thing. I mean, a lot of families may not support startup का career path for a lot of
Especially
people.
women and entrepreneurs, I would say. मतलब especially girls के लिए अलग challenge है all together.
और डेडलाइन भी होगा.
इंडिया में तो डेडलाइन होते हैं.
Anyone else have any comment? Last minute left for us. Actually, all good.
यही और एक साल वेट कर सकते हैं, इससे वेट नहीं कर सकते.
और एक साल वेट कर सकते हैं.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जैसा विशाल सर ने कहा ना, हाँ आपने कहा ना कि फैमिली से रेस्ट्रिक्शन वगैरह आता होगा, तो बोलते होंगे कि और 1 साल वेट कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते या 2 साल।
हाँ,
जो करना है
सब
जल्दी
लोग
कर
डेडलाइन
दो।
तो देते ही है, आई गेस, बट आई गेस प्रोग्रेस देख
But
के
like,
पीपल माइट बी सपोर्टिंग.
हाँ 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 यार, congratulate you, Survi. Doing
thank you.
good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली ना इट्स अ गुड टाइम आल्सो, आई थिंक, फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. आई मीन बेस्ट टाइम तो कुछ होता नहीं है वैसे, बट जस्ट जॉब में जाके साल 1.5 साल काम करके, बहुत सारे लोग एमबीए के लिए चले जाते हैं, तो दैट माइट बी, दिस माइट बी एन अल्टरनेट करियर पाथ विच पीपल कैन एक्सप्लोर एट लीस्ट, कि एमबीए को 2 साल करना है,
Yeah.
या मे बी स्टार्टअप
Right.
ट्राई कर ले 2 साल, देखते हैं क्या होता है, माइट बी लर्निंग सेम थिंग्स. 2 साल बाद फिर देख
I would say practically you are like learning a lot.
या
So like
Sure,
no
sure.
disrespect to MBA, but यहाँ पे तो exponential learning है.
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
अच्छा सर, एक इम्पोर्टेंट
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन था
बताओ लास्ट.
सर, एक इम्पोर्टेंट मतलब कि आपके होंगे ना स्टाफ वगैरह जिनको कुछ
आवाज ब्रेक
ये
हो रही
करना
है
है
थोड़ी
डेली,
सी,
वैसा कुछ
फिर से बोलो.
आपकी आवाज break
कह रहा
आप
था कि ऐसा कुछ है क्या, कुछ रेगुलर वर्क? अच्छा, अभी आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ
अभी
रही
ठीक.
है.
अभी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है.
मैं कह रहा था कि ये, हाँ, जैसे स्टाफ वगैरह है क्या आपके अंडर में?
Staff as in
स्टाफ जिनका एक फिक्स रहता है
एम्प्लॉइज अपार्ट फ्रॉम 4 ऑफ यू,
मतलब कि
यू हैव पीपल.
हाँ हाँ, लाइक किसी का कोई आईटी का काम हो या फिर कुछ भी, कुछ करके रखना हो,
अच्छा
या
हाँ.
जो
जॉब चाहिए,
कस्टमर
नौकरी
नए आ
चाहिए
रहे हैं
आपको.
उनका चेक करना हो, कुछ भी, कोई भी
एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज.
नहीं। हाँ, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
Apart from 4 of us, यहाँ
क्या?
पे we consult freelancers, we have people on project basis, we have interns. तो अपना जहाँ भी domain में
नहीं
जहाँ we have
अभी
people.
कितने एम्प्लॉइज है रफली, लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम लेट्स से यू 4, or you
So
have
we are
part
like
time or
4
full time?
time. We have like 6 interns under us, and time to time basis पे we consult freelancers and project basis पे people. So they just come and like work and they leave. So ऐसा है.
ठीक है, I think what Inder was asking was if you have any
About the
freelance
team and
project,
other
he can also help.
Absolutely, yeah. Like आप
So
LinkedIn पे
maybe
please connect कर सकते हैं.
please, yeah. So I'll share.
नहीं, वैसा नहीं,
the
सैलरी
profile.
बेसिस पे।
Okay, chalo, we are out of time now. So thank you, Surbi, for sharing all this.
Thank
So
you,
I'm just
Surbi,
adding one
yes,
more
and
thing.
all the best.
Surbi was one of the winners for our Singapore trip also, but last year to ho nahi paya. So that's how I know her at least.
Yeah, as I was saying, competition is one competition, yeah. So we went to one of the colleges and like we won and we got like Singapore ka LWT offer, but unfortunately we couldn't go last year.
Anyway, Corona made lot of, but anyway, we are together in the online the zero sum game.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, chalo. Everyone, thank you very much for coming. Good night, everyone. We'll have new guest
Come on,
next Friday.
thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Good night.